You're welcome back, students. We will continue from where we stopped. Now, draw the putter and ensure it is drawn within the point from 0 centimeter to 8 centimeters. The diagram should not be less than 6 centimeters when measured and not be more than 8 centimeters when measured. After drawing, you label. Labeling is done horizontally and guidelines are ruled with ruler. Do not rule guidelines with your free hand and do not cross guidelines. Use double guidelines to show parts of the diagram you want to show in plural and single guideline to show part of diagram in singular. Do not write part of diagram in plural form when only one guideline is drawn from the diagram. Ensure you indicate on your diagram details peculiar to the specimen you are drawing. In case of the putter, the stopper or rubber bung with 2 openings should be shown. 2 delivery tubes, one longer than the other, should be shown. Inner end of shorter delivery tube with mesh or gauze should also be shown. Ensure you use a well-sharpened pencil, preferably HB, to draw clear lines, not woolly lines. Ensure you scale your diagram. If what you have drawn is twice the size of the specimen given, then the scale is times 2, written as multiplication sign and 2, preferably below the diagram. If your diagram is half the size of the specimen, the scale is multiplication sign and half. Sweep net. Make a well-labeled diagram 10 to 12 centimeters long of sweep net. West African Senior School Certificate Examination 2019. Write the title, preferably at the top of your answer sheet. Use the ruler to note 0.0 centimeter, 0.10 centimeters, and 0.12 centimeters. This time around, horizontally, due to the nature of the specimen. Starting from the left side of your answer sheet. Or you could still draw vertically if you are more comfortable doing so, at the center of your answer sheet. Draw the sweep net within the points noted. Remember, your drawing should not be less than 10 centimeters when measured and should not be more than 12 centimeters. Label fully. Ensure the guidelines are horizontal and ruled with ruler. Show the following details on your diagram to ensure you have properly drawn a sweep net. Round or oval or oblong mouth for net, long handle. Remember to scale your diagram. Indicate the scale below the diagram to determine the scale or magnification. Use the equation length of specimen drawn all over length of real specimen. Taking the sweep net for example, if the real length of the sweep net is 80 centimeters and you have drawn a sweep net of 10 centimeters, then your scale or magnification will be 10 centimeters all over 80 centimeters, which equals 1 all over 8. So, scale or magnification will be indicated as multiplication sign and 1 all over 8 below the diagram. In summary, we learned identification of ecological specimens, functions, uses, and how to draw some ecological specimens. Students, answer the following questions. Recall the definition of ecology. List 10 ecological instruments. What are the functions of the ecological instruments listed? Explain briefly How the following instruments are used: rain gauge, thermometer. Make a large, well-labeled diagram 6 to 8 centimeters long of a thermometer. For further studies, read the Senior School Certificate Examination past questions and answers for WAEC, SSC, NECO, and GCE Biology. Senior Secondary Certificate Practical Biology by S.O. Ilueji. Bye-bye, students.